Accessible buses sounds like a dream come true. It improves mobility for all, increase social inclusion, and enhance safety and convenience. But for many, this dream quickly turns into a nightmare. Hi, my name is Dev and I'm from MoveMobility. I have helped many organizations to choose the right accessible vehicle for their programs. During this time, I have heard different challenges and issues with their accessible buses. Maintenance issues, bad ride experience, and unexpected costs. What these organizations thought would be easy became their biggest regret. Buying an accessible vehicle is a big decision. It impacts the safety and convenience of your passenger, as well as the program budget for years to come. So before you decide which accessible vehicle is right for you, let's look at top 5 problems with accessible buses and what other options do you have. Problem number 1, high maintenance cost. The big buses obviously will use more retrofitting and customization, which require an extensive repair if anything goes wrong. When it comes to the maintenance and servicing, these buses can be more expensive than compared to a regular size vehicle. Also, you will see that the warped flooring is a big issue in these buses, and the bus frames are more prone to rusting as well. Problem number 2, the challenges to drive a bus. Now, when it comes to large buses, you obviously require someone with a special license to drive them. And nowadays, it has been a challenge for many organizations to find drivers for their buses. And also, these large buses can be a challenge when you travel through narrow roads, paths, or even when you're trying to find a parking spot. Problem number 3, difficult access for walker and cane users. Now, many buses comes with a lift, which is a good choice for people who are in wheelchairs. But when it comes to any members or people who use walkers or cane, using a lift can be challenging. Sometimes they panic or some are too scared to get on the lift. So they're only left with one option, which is to get the stairs. This can be tricky and challenging for them because they are placed at a higher floor level. Also, it is associated many times with accidents and health issues. Problem number 4 is the poor ride experience. Passengers always complain the rides being bumpy and rough when traveling in a bus. This also makes it really uncomfortable and stressful for them when reaching from point A to B. As a larger vehicle, it is a challenge to control the temperature inside, especially during the hot and cold months, which can make the passengers uncomfortable. So problem number 5 is the long-term cost. Now, every organization has a plan of yearly budget when it comes to transportation. With these larger buses, it is costly to do the simple jobs such as oil change, replacing the brake pads, and sometimes when they order new parts. Along with that, the fueling cost of these buses are usually higher than compared to a smaller vehicle. Now, the reality is the accessible buses come with significant challenges, which can be with your budget, your staff, and most importantly, your passengers. But there's a good news. You don't have to settle for a hassle of a bus, because at MoveMobility, we offer a variety of accessible vehicles, which will give you the same convenience of a bus, but with less headache and problems. To help you choose the right accessible van, we have put some great resources together which will help you choose the right wheelchair van. I've linked them down below where you can watch a video and download your free checklist, which will help you select the right vehicle. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help.